Hi, my name is Lance Kosaka. I'm the executive chef at Mariposa restaurant. We're located at Neiman Marcus at Ala Moana Shopping Center. Today we're gonna make using Aloha products. We're gonna make a quick, simple farro salad. Farro is an ancient grain. It's really nutritious. It's good for you. Has a little chew. I really like it. Put some whole farm tomatoes, some edamame, onions, and some chicken that we've marinated in the Aloha teriyaki spicy marinade teriyaki sauce. And so what we're gonna do today is just put something cooked together. Everybody's so busy right now that a lot of times, you don't want to go and make sauce and you have to buy one knob ginger, one knob thing, small things like that. So this way you have things that are already made, and then you just do some work, cut the fresh vegetables, cut things, and use that to help enhance your cooking and make it easier to put something quickly and easier on the table that, I think is healthy for your family. So, that's what we're going to do today. So this is farro. It's an ancient grain. You can cook it different ways, but you can treat it like pasta, salted water, cook it inside, maybe about 15-20 minutes until it gets tender, and then drain it and then let it cool, and you can use it. It's almost like reminds you of barley or brown rice or things like that. And then, so we're gonna just take some of that and we're gonna put that in here. To this, we're gonna add some chopped fresh whole farm tomatoes. And this is just a guideline. If you like tomatoes, you like onions more, you can just adjust it to your taste. But what you're looking for is like texture, color. Tomatoes will add acidity. Now put some edamame inside. And then we have some sliced red onion. If you don't have red onion, you can use sweet onion, Maui onion, whatever you like. I'm just mixing it gently, just using the bowl, the roundness of the bowl to mix it so it doesn't smash the tomatoes. Then we're gonna take some of this ginger dressing from Aloha Shoyu. Put some in. You just want to coat it. You can put as much or as little as you want, depending. Everybody has different tastes. So most important thing is always taste what you're doing. And we're just gonna plate this right up. And then this is the chicken that we had marinated in the teriyaki sauce. We'll just garnish with some fresh cilantro. And that's it. Simple, very simple. But if you want, you can always change it to, like, let's say you want to marinate it with ahi. You can do that. You want to do pork, you can do that.